Welcome to the exciting world of IPTV. What is IPTV and why is it revolutionizing television? IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. Enjoy endless channels from all over the world. At 2tv.store, we offer incredible IPTV packages. Start watching your favorite channels today. Here's how to get started, step by step. Step 1, visit our website, 2tv.store. Step 2, choose your IPTV package. Step 3, download your IPTV player. Step 4, install the application easily. Step 5, activate your subscription. Step 6, browse and choose your channels. Step 7, enjoy a vast array of content. Don't miss out on exclusive content. Share your IPTV experience with others. Invite your family to enjoy together. We have an amazing community of viewers. Join our social media pages for updates. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more tips. Transform your viewing experience today. Thank you for joining us today.